హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఎత్రెట్ 1. ఈవేళ వీడియోలో మార్చ్ 26 టు 28 వరకు కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అయితే షేర్ చేస్తాను. డైలీ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. అందులో ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి ఇండియన్ స్పేస్ రీసెర్చ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఇస్రో కంప్లీటెడ్ ద రోలింగ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ ఇన్ మార్చ్ 2025. దిస్ ఈస్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ విచ్ మిషన్? Given options: option A Chandrayaan 4, option B Gaganyaan, option C SpaceX, and option D Mangalyaan 2. The correct answer is option D SpaceX. What is the name of the tri-service integrated exercise conducted by the Indian Armed Forces in March 2025 in the high altitude terrain of Arunachal Pradesh? Options: option A Prachand Prahar, option B Vijay Shakti, option C Purvi Prahar, and option D Agni Yudh. The correct answer option A Prachand Prahar. Which company signed contracts with the Ministry of Defence for the procurement of Nag missile systems NAMIS tracked version and light vehicles? The options are option A Tata Motors and Bharat Dynamics Limited, option B Armored Vehicle Nigam Limited, Force Motors Limited, and Mahindra Limited, option C Larsen and Toubro and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, option D Reliance Defence and Ashok Leyland. The answer: Armored Vehicle Nigam Limited, Force Motors Limited, and Mahindra Limited. What is the purpose of Sahkar taxi service? Given options: option A to provide free rides to passengers, option B to create a cooperative based taxi service, option C to promote private ride hailing companies, option D to increase government control over transportation. And the correct answer: to create a cooperative based taxi service. Option B is the correct answer. Indian origin scientist Jai Bhattacharya has been appointed as the director of which institution in US? Given options: option A Centers for Disease Control and Prevention CDC, option B National Institutes of Health NIH, option C World Health Organization WHO, and option D Food and Drug Administration FDA. The correct answer option B National Institutes of Health NIH. Which team became the world champion at the 2025 Sepak Takraw World Cup? Option A Japan, option B Malaysia, option C South Korea, and option D India. The correct answer is option D India. Who is leading the Argentina national football team on their visit to India in October 2025? Given options: option A Paulo Dybala, option B Lionel Messi, option C Angel Di Maria, option D Loreto Martinez. And the correct answer is option B Lionel Messi. What is the full form of VLSR SAM successfully tested by DRDO in March 2025? Given options are option A vertically loaded short range surface to air missile, option B vertically launched short range surface to air missile, option C variable launch short range surface to air missile. The correct answer is option B vertically launched short range surface to air missile. Rajiv Gauba has been recently, in March 2025, appointed as. Given options are option A Union Home Secretary, option B full-time member of the Niti Aayog, option C Cabinet Secretary, and option D Secretary in the Ministry of Urban Development. The correct answer option B full-time member of the Niti Aayog. What is the significance of India's first indigenous MRI machine set to be installed at AIIMS Delhi by October 2025 for clinical trials? Given options: option A it eliminates the need for X-rays, option B it reduces dependence on imported medical equipment, and option C, it replaces CT scans in hospitals. Option D, it is powered entirely by renewable energy. And the correct answer is option B, it reduces dependence on imported medical equipment. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే తప్పకుండా లైక్ ఇవ్వండి, షేర్ చేయండి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి. ఛానల్ అయితే తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని పక్కన బెల్ బటన్ ప్రెస్ చేసి ఆన్లో ఉంచుకోండి. అప్పుడు నేను పెట్టే వీడియోస్ మీ ఫోన్కే వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.